Hello and welcome to our tech channel, where we'll be exploring the exciting world of technology and how it works. Cybersecurity is becoming increasingly important in today's digital landscape, and we're here to help you stay ahead of the curve. Be sure to hit that notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support us and help spread the word about our channel. Let's dive in. OneDrive is a cloud storage service offered by Microsoft that allows you to store, share, and access files from anywhere with an internet connection. It's a convenient and secure way to keep your files organized and accessible, no matter where you are or what device you're using. Here are a few key reasons why you should consider using OneDrive. Easy to use. OneDrive is easy to use, even for those who aren't tech savvy. The interface is simple and straightforward, making it easy to upload, organize, and share files. Accessible anywhere. OneDrive is accessible from anywhere with an internet connection, meaning you can access your files from your desktop, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Collaborate with others. OneDrive makes it easy to collaborate with others, whether you're working on a project with coworkers or sharing family photos with loved ones. You can share files and folders with specific people, set permissions and access levels, and even collaborate in real time using Microsoft Office apps like Word or Excel. Secure. OneDrive takes security seriously, with features like two-factor authentication and encryption to keep your files safe. You can also set permissions and access levels to control who can view, edit, or share your files. Integration with other Microsoft apps. OneDrive integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft apps like Teams, Outlook, and OneNote, making it easy to use OneDrive as part of your existing workflow. Creating an OneDrive account. If you already have a Microsoft account, you can simply sign into OneDrive with your existing credentials. If not, we'll show you how to create a new account. This will involve entering your personal information and creating a username and password. Navigating the OneDrive interface. Once you're signed in, we'll give you a tour of the OneDrive interface. Here is where to find your files and folders, how to upload new files, and how to share files with others. Here is also where to find your cover for the different views available in OneDrive, including List View, Grid View, and Details View. Understanding the different OneDrive plans and storage options available in OneDrive. These are the differences between the free and paid plans, including the amount of storage and features available. Here is how to upgrade your account if you need more storage or additional features by working out a plan, then clicking Buy Now. We are going to click Cancel for now as we are using this for a demonstration. How to upload files to OneDrive. To get started, we'll show you how to upload files to OneDrive. The different ways you can upload files include drag and drop, the upload button, and using the OneDrive desktop app. In this example, we will create an image from scratch. Save the image to the computer, then proceed to dragging and dropping or upload the image using the upload option. On each platform you can also view the file size and type restrictions, and how to upload files from mobile devices. Creating and organizing folders in OneDrive can help you stay in order digitally. To create a new folder, select the New tab, then Folder. Viewing share folders with others, set permissions, moving, and renaming folders are all in the Settings section of the file. To access, you will need to start by selecting the three horizontal buttons, then choose your option. Sharing files with specific people. One of the great things about OneDrive is its sharing features. You can easily share files with specific people by sending them a link to the file or folder. You can also share files with people who don't have a Microsoft account. Setting permissions and access levels. When sharing files, you can set permissions and access levels to control what people can do with the file. For example, you can allow someone to edit a document or restrict them to only being able to view it. Sharing files with groups or teams. OneDrive makes it easy to share files with groups or teams. You can create a shared folder and invite people to join. Everyone in the group can then access and edit the files in the shared folder. Embedding files in websites or documents. OneDrive also allows you to embed files in websites or documents. This can be useful if you want to share a document or image on a website or within a presentation. OneDrive has a mobile app that allows you to access your files on the go. You can upload and download files, as well as access files that are shared with you. The mobile app also has automatic camera backup, so you can save photos and videos directly to OneDrive. OneDrive integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft apps, like Word and Excel. You can open and edit files stored in OneDrive directly from these apps. Changes are saved automatically to OneDrive, so you always have the latest version of your document. If you're using Windows, you can access OneDrive files directly from Windows File Explorer. This allows you to easily drag and drop files between your computer and OneDrive. OneDrive also integrates with Microsoft's note-taking app, OneNote. You can save your notes to OneDrive, which makes it easy to access them from anywhere. You can also share your notes with others, making collaboration easy. Tips and tricks. Best practices for using OneDrive effectively. To get started, create a logical folder structure that makes sense for you. Use descriptive file names that help you identify what each file is and what it contains. And make sure to set permissions and access levels appropriately to ensure that your files are shared only with the people who need access to them. Finally, don't forget to regularly back up your files to prevent data loss in case of a technical issue or accidental deletion. Let's talk about how to maximize your OneDrive storage. One easy way to do this is to clear out old files regularly. You can also use selective sync to choose which files or folders are synced to your device, so you don't have to store all of your files on every device. Another option is to utilize file compression to save storage space by reducing the file size. Finally, make sure to use the recycle bin and version history features to recover deleted files or restore previous versions of a file. Now let's discuss some common OneDrive issues and how to troubleshoot them. If you're experiencing sync issues, try resetting the sync settings, checking your internet connection, or checking for updates to the OneDrive app. If you're having trouble uploading files, try checking the file size and format, clearing your browser cache, or using a different browser. And if you're having authentication issues, try resetting your password, clearing your browser cache, or checking your internet connection. Finally, let's talk about some future updates and developments for OneDrive. Microsoft is continually updating and improving OneDrive, with increased integration with other Microsoft apps like Teams, SharePoint, and OneNote. They're also working on improving the file sharing experience in OneDrive, making it easier to share files and collaborate with others. Additionally, Microsoft is using AI and machine learning to improve search and organization in OneDrive, making it easier to find and manage your files. Thanks for joining us for this series on OneDrive. We covered a lot of ground in these videos, from setting up your account to uploading and organizing your files. OneDrive is a great tool for storing and sharing your files, and we covered some best practices for using it effectively, such as keeping your files organized and taking advantage of the recycle bin and version history. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who wants an easy way to store and share files, OneDrive has something to offer. So don't hesitate to give it a try and see for yourself how it can simplify your life. If you found these videos helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future content. We'll be sharing more tips, tricks, and tutorials about OneDrive in the coming weeks and months, so stay tuned for more.